Welcome to Audacity Lesson 15. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool for audio analysis, the spectrogram view. The spectrogram view is essential for understanding the frequency content of your audio. It turns sound into a visual map. If you want to see the frequencies in your audio, the spectrogram is your answer. The spectrogram visually represents amplitude across different frequencies and over time, allowing for detailed audio analysis. To access the spectrogram, simply click the drop-down menu on your audio track, often located next to the track name. Within the track menu, navigate to View Options and select Spectrogram to switch from the standard waveform view. In Spectrogram View, the vertical axis, or y-axis, represents frequency, while the horizontal x-axis remains time. Color intensity shows amplitude or loudness. This view lets you perform detailed frequency analysis, visualizing exactly where the low, mid, and high frequencies are present in your audio. Spectrogram view is invaluable for spotting unwanted sounds like high-pitched hums, clicks, or background noises that might be hidden in the mix. You can isolate constant tones or persistent noises by looking for distinct, bright horizontal lines in the spectrogram. Once identified, you can precisely target and reduce or eliminate these unwanted tones for cleaner audio. Use Audacity's selection tools to precisely select both the time and frequency range of the tone you want to treat. With your selection made, apply noise reduction, equalization, or specialized third-party plugins to remove or dampen the unwanted tone. The spectrogram view transforms your approach to audio cleanup and mastering, giving you surgical precision. Remember, spectrogram is your visual debugging tool. Use it with precision and explore powerful external plugins for the best results. Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll delve deeper into advanced effects and mastering techniques in Audacity.